We usually wake up in the morning. I make Reena a nice iced coffee, as you can see. Got it in one try. On a scale of 1 to 10, how is
it? 17.
Oh.
Out of 10.
That sucks. I was expecting an 18. I'll take 14. What is up with
like the lighting too.
It's morning
very
light.
gray.
Yeah.
My hair was like this the whole time.
How you get her to face this way? Wave her back
As long as she faces that way, I think we can do it.
But not, don't let her move too much, like forward. Tacos for lunch.
Just grab it with the tortilla like such. Yeah, just use that. Put that on there. Reena, what's good? Let's see what Reena's up to.
She's so cute. I picked her up and then she was so small. No fluff. She's so cute. Well, it's like steaming. Cause the pizzuki's so hot. Why is it? Whoa, it's so cool. It's like sizzling. 고기 굽는 것 같아.
뜨거워.
My presentation? Yeah.
Okay.
Ryan Little.
Kidding. Oh my god. Everything in there we have to throw away unless it's in the...
It's not bad. Looks like little rat poops.
그냥 wash 할까? Or like wipe it?
Yeah, even that, it's fine. The problem is getting it. I don't know how I would, we'd have to move the desk out and then...
Oh my god. I missed
I guess what we could do is tilt this bed.
p.m. I finally finished my class.
Tits!
So now I'm gonna get ready to go on my dinner date. I have a date planned.
This is what the treat looks like. It smells very good.
It smells good for you?
Okay, pretty. Come closer to the camera.
No salt at all. 눈 마주쳤어. So sticky. I'm gonna make 4 or 5 breads. Yeah, with this much garlic. So I'm gonna count this as 1 because it's so food.
I know what she's getting. Bet you $100 that she's getting the pineapples I chopped earlier.
Of course.
Look at that. And she got a fork. I didn't even look. She got a fork. Not 2, just 1.
I want to feed you.
Thought so. You need to focus, Reena.
안 돼. 안 열려.
Admit that you need a big, strong man in your life.
해봐.
Admit it first.
I do, but try.
Scared for a second, but I think you can see my reaction. Oh shit. Let's check.
We're so wholesome, honestly. I mean, it is Monday night. Oh. Why did you give it to me like that? Why did you look at it?
Huh?
I like to hold it with my thumb and my middle finger. So I hold it like this, like so. And then let me just stand up for you. And then if you're a preferred guy, get out of my video. So when you
watching Whaley inspired us. No, I'm kidding. We do this weekly thing now where he helps me laser my entire body. Like my armpits, not my entire body, yeah, just my armpits, my legs, and that's it, huh? Got my little fan here. He got his little sunglasses too. He learned from last time that he needed glasses. He's trying to threaten me that he's gonna use the highest power. I've never tried the highest setting.
Okay, here you go. 안 내면 진다 가위바위보. This is on 3, okay?
I think armpit's just sensitive. It hurts. Oh my god. Is it red? Why does it hurt? It's okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Did you do it on 5?
That's I want to see if it was just your mentality or if it actually hurt. So I did a placebo effect on you and it still hurt. So I think this just really hurts. Yeah, I think this just really hurts.
So I woke up craving spaghetti and ramen. Because Jason mentioned it last night before sleeping, so I'm just gonna make it real quick for lunch.
Ooh, this is pretty good. The classic go-to college student budget breakfast diet.
This is bomb breakfast. It's my favorite breakfast. I watched Cody. I got so many boxes.
Every little thing is gonna be alright. Stopping me from getting my treat.
Okay.
Fix this. You've seen this, right?
Yes, I have seen it. Oh no, I'm second note?
Nah.
Nah. Nah. Is it in that tempo?
아니?
Nah, nah. Is it like that? Da na 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 da na 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 na.
아니.
근데 그것도 고소.
나나나나.
It's so annoying. I hate this.
나는 보고 싶은 날에.
Oh my god, that's so bad. That's so bad.